Dharma practice is not about cultivating an external image, but rather about taming and nourishing the mind. This is very different from academic research, which only requires intellectual diligence. Dharma practice emphasizes the importance of reflecting on the mind. When a practitioner reads a Buddhist text, they cannot simply focus on its literal meaning. Instead, they should examine their mind in relation to the to the text. They should ask themselves, did I commit such a misdeed in the past? If so, what should I do to purify those negative actions? Is it possible that I might commit the same misdeed again in the future? If so, what should I do to prevent it? If we can examine and tame our minds in this way, we are true practitioners. In fact, eminent masters and accomplished practitioners, whether from the Han region or Tibet, all possess the ability to tame their minds. In contrast, those of us wandering in samsara are often distracted by the external environment and by fabricated thoughts rather than focusing on controlling and taming our own minds. Even if they occasionally read a good book or listened to a guru's instruction, such individuals tend to make changes that last only a day or two, eventually reverting to their previous states. This is not ideal.